Micho is back. Welcome to a new devlog where you can follow my latest progress on Blixten. Okay, so let's dive in now.
Yeah, building a RPG game, it means like we're gonna get a lot of more items and other things. So I have been gonna make a better workflow for me when I'm working on Blixten. So why is gonna be a better workflow for me now when I'm working and adding items? I'm using scriptable objects, for example, everything. We can say from weapon, item, quest, keys and everything like that. So I did make this for a window, so now can I open up, I call it database items. So I have made example, we can search for the items, we can change the buy price, we can change the name, the ID for the items, and we can example find the items in the project assets. So this is a game changer for me, it's gonna be a lot like smoother when I'm working adding items.
Yeah, so that you can see here, we have added a compass. So that's something very important, that shows where the player is running now. So yeah, that's really important, and of course later I need to update the UI. I did make a small improvement with the dash. I did add a button here with some animation and cooldown, so that you can see we get the cooldown and small animation when we press space. So yeah, that's awesome. Okay, I felt like it was time to improve the camera. And remember, you can comment if you like this or maybe want to suggest something with the camera. So now have I made like when we are scrolling, that you can see it's starting to tilt. So we get more like third person view. This feels like a little bit more freedom in the game, so you can, yeah, if you want to take a picture or just look closer for the weapon and armor and everything. So yeah, that's something I did improve with the camera. So you know, now can you wishlist Blixten in Steam? So yeah, if you want to help me and support me, you can go into my Steam page and wishlist. Now we're gonna look what I've been working even more with. I have improved the combat and animation a little bit more. It's still quite simple because I don't want to complex with the game with combat and everything. I like the simplicity. But let's look on this. Now does the overriding with animation working, that you can see. The animation is overriding with two-handed, one-handed and magic staff. And of course with bow that I haven't equipped here, but yeah. Then the other thing we're gonna change to staff. I have a correct example distance and radius with the spells. So that's working. Then the other thing I have changed for enemy and player is example, I have made animation event so we can timing the weapon when it's close to the enemy. So before maybe I did use cooldowns depend, yeah, it was a random like when it's 1 second then making the damage, but now I use an animation event, so it's much better with different weapons, we can timing the damage. So that's really awesome, and it works with everything, like you can see when we are gonna shoot the magic. So that's a lot of improvement, and of course I forgot something. The dashing can cancel the example, they're a little bit more tactic. Example, we can make, let's see, a two-hander we can see here. You can see we are making damage like always. But now can we cancel like this? Yeah, this is quite fun. It's a little bit more challenge when you're playing and still very simplicity. I love it. So yeah, this was everything for this devlog. So thanks for watching and see ya next time.